Windows 10 gives you the latest fixes and security improvements, helping your device run efficiently and stay protected. In most cases, restarting your device completes the update. To stay up to date, select Start, Settings, Update and Security. Windows Update. When the Windows 10 update is ready for your device, it will be available to download and install from the Windows Update page in Settings. To download it, click on the Download button. The time required to download updates primarily depends on internet connection speed, network settings, and update size. Make sure your device is plugged in and connected to the internet to download updates faster. To finish installing an update, your device will need to restart. Windows will try to restart your device when you're not using it. If it can't, you'll be asked to schedule the restart for a more convenient time. You can schedule any time by following these steps. Select Schedule the restart and choose a time that's convenient for you. You can set active hours to make sure automatic restarts for updates only happen when you're not using your device. To manually check for the latest recommended updates, select Check for Updates. You can't stop updates entirely because they help keep your device safe and secure. Updates will eventually need to be installed and downloaded, regardless of your update settings. Here's how to temporarily pause updates from being downloaded and installed. Select Pause Updates for 7 days. Or, select Advanced Options. Then in the Pause Updates section, select the drop-down menu and specify a date for updates to resume. Take a note that after the pause limit is reached, you'll need to install the latest updates before you can pause updates again. To check which updates were installed, click on Update History. This will show you all updates were installed and when. If you need to remove an update, you can do so by selecting Uninstall Update button above, then select the update you want to remove, then select Uninstall button. Note, Windows don't recommend removing any installed updates unless it's necessary. Here are a few things you can try if you're having trouble installing updates. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet. If you're connected to the internet, try to install the updates manually. If you still receive an error, run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Select Start, Settings, Update and Security. Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshooter. Under Get Up and Running, select Windows Update. After clicking Run Troubleshooter, the system will check for error. After this, just follow the instruction to fix the error. If your PC doesn't have enough space for update installation, try deleting files you don't need, uninstalling apps you don't use, or moving files to another drive like an external USB drive or OneDrive. This covers managing Windows 10 updates. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.